Turn right there, you got it?
Yep.
Man down. You got it right there. Keep coming, drivers. Yep. Start straightening her out a little bit. You got her. Keep coming. Hardest trail on, hardest obstacle on here. You got her. Good job.
Woo! Thank you.
And Lehman Upfit here with a product we've been super excited to get in. This is the Wolfbox G900 Tri Pro. We've got it on both of our Jeeps, the 392 and on Sarah's Wrangler, Precious here. So we have hers out today. We're gonna show it to you in action. So she's excited to have an extra camera showing her front bumper area, having a camera for her mirror camera like a driving cam, and then a backup camera on the back. It does all three. You can even look at all three at the same time. So let's check it out. So here you can see, this is the dash cam coming out of here. My finger's right there. Dash cam showing you everything in the front. And we can scroll through this, go sideways. We got all three cameras here. Here's our backup camera. We got some friends showing up. We are doing Cliffhanger today. And in Cliffhanger, we'll really be able to put this camera to the test and show you everything you need to see about it. Back here, back to our front camera. This is mounted on the front bumper area where it's just showing you everything that would be in front of us. It's awesome for being able, you can adjust it down, up, whatever you want. Shows you any obstacle that's going to be coming towards you that you can't see over your hood. Swipe one more time. We are back to our dash cam. And this thing comes with its own SD card that it prepares. It's all in there. And there's all three of them if you want to watch them all three at one time. Me personally, I like one at a time. I like when we're on the trails, we are normally just on the front view camera. There's our back. There's our front view. So I guess we'll get it on the trail. So before we hit the trail, I figured I'd give you a quick look of where we mounted these cameras. We've got Sarah's front one here mounted to her winch on the front. And it does miss this bull bar in all of the shots. And then her rear camera is mounted right here on her spare tire. We like to wipe it off from time to time, but it does good shots. So that's where they're mounted. Now let's put them to work.
All right, Sarah, come on right around here now. Right on it. We're going to come right up to here. Come on up, sir. And that's the way I did it the last time. It worked for me, so we're going to try it for you. Yep, nice and low. M1. Nice and easy. Let her climb right here a little at a time. Keep her coming, keep her coming. Passenger. Right there. That'll be straight right there. Yep. Keep coming up nice and easy. Try to start headed passenger. We're going to walk around this rock right here. Passenger. All your passenger power. There you go. Keep it going, passenger. You're good. You're going to come right up alongside this rock. Just keep going. We'll see if it clears. It's going to push you into a scotch, but you're good. There we go. Now start a little bit driver there. Keep coming up, drivers. A little bit drivers. Sarah, you got plenty of room here. From your angle, it looks smaller than it is. There's a ton of room here. But keep going. Start going drivers a little bit. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing good. Coming down now. Come on. You're looking good. You're looking good. There we go. Keep coming straight like you're doing. It might feel a little crazy, but you're good. You're going to start going driver's side. Start going driver's side. There we go. All right, sir, you're up. Come on down, girl. That line looks good that you picked your own. That's a good one. Come on down. Keep coming. Give it some drivers. A little bit drivers there. A little bit drivers. There we go. Nice and easy, but we'll take a little more driver. There we go. Let me get me a place to stand. All right. You can't see me, but keep on coming. A little at a time. Keep coming here. Nice and easy. You're going to want hard brake here in a second. You're going to start coming off this big rock on the driver's side first. The passenger's right behind you. So just nice and easy. Keep that line to your right. You hold your steering wheel right where it's at so it doesn't turn if you hit a rock. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. You're doing good. Would have been a good picture right there. Nice and easy. Keep coming. Driver's side's coming down nice and slow. There we go. Keep coming. Come down on one side. Hard top's got plenty of room. You're good. Keep on coming. Let off that brake a little bit. Keep on right there. Good work. Keep on coming. You're looking good right there. We're going to get drivers in a second. Keep on coming. Give me a little bit of drivers. Go ahead and go backwards a little bit. Back up a scotch. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I like that right there. A little bit more. All right, right there. Now give it all you got to the driver's side. The Jeep will fit, but it has to climb up on the passenger side, and you're not going to like the feeling, so I'm going to try to make it feel better. There we go. Keep it coming. Now give me passenger. Passenger. Right there you go. That's your line right there. Let that back end's going to climb up. It shouldn't be scary, but it's going to feel like it's climbing up. Keep on right there. Let it come down. You're good to go.
Whew, thank you.
You got it right there. Keep coming, drivers. Yep, keep coming. Now start hitting passengers. Passenger, passenger, passenger. There we go. Keep coming, passenger. Keep coming, passenger. We got to get over top of a hole in the ground up here. So passenger, way more passenger. There we go. There we go. That's your line right there. Nice and easy right there. It'll climb up. It'll grow. Come on up. Yep, yep. Start straightening her out a little bit. You got her. You got her. Keep coming. Hardest trail on. Hardest obstacle on here. You got her. Good job.
Woo! Thank you.
Nice, so we just finished up Cliffhanger, one of the hardest trails in all of Moab. Sarah did awesome, the Jeep did awesome, and our Wolfbox did awesome. So it's nice being able to have that extra front trail cam out the front and an extra one in the back, and having the awesome street view coming through the windshield. So it's nice having like a actual camera by our mirror.
One thing we didn't think about, since we didn't test it out before we came to Moab, my Jeep mirror has a safety group right here. So in the front camera here, depending on how you have it angled, sometimes that is in the way of the shot. So you gotta just kind of angle it. And then if it gets really bright and I'm trying to put my visor down, I just have to move that to get the visor down, but then it's in the way. But that's just because it's on my Jeep. Not all vehicles will be like that.
If you guys want one of these, the promo code is in the description here. Type it all in that, grab yourself a Wolfbox, because it sure made today a lot easier than it would have been without it. Have a good one.